Today let's talk about some of my favorite Moody desk accessories that will transform your office into a moody, comfortable and productivity workspace. And the first must-have accessory that we need to talk about is the dual monitor stand. This sleek and sturdy stand allows you to maximize the space on your desk, and it enhances the multitasking abilities. I also decided to mount my ultra-wide monitor to the wall, and I also placed my studio display on the table surface to remove a lot of space between the monitor and the stand. That made it possible to remove a lot of cables, and I can easily place additional things on and under the monitor stand, so I can always grab them whenever I need them. In my opinion, the dual monitor stand is worth the investment because it improves the whole desk setup, and it also allows you to create a seamless workflow, which is always great. The one that I use is from Woodccessories. It's a premium monitor stand that I really like, but of course there are also cheaper versions out there. So especially if your budget isn't that big, I can still recommend a monitor stand to maximize the space on your desk. Next up, and this is one of my absolute favorite Moody desk accessories, is the salt lamp. This awesome accessory not only adds a warm and cozy glow to your workspace, it also adds a unique touch of style to it. Especially if you want to build a Moody desk setup at home, such a salt lamp helps to reduce stress and improves the overall mood in your room. On top, having these additional light sources that aren't too bright are a perfect combo with wooden desk setups like this one that I currently build. And yes, especially in this case, a salt lamp is one of the essential desk accessories for everyone who likes these kind of setups. Next, let's talk about the desk tray. Especially if you want to stay organized, a desk tray is a game changer when it comes to decluttering your workspace. With designated compartments for pens, notes and other essentials, a desk tray helps to keep your desk tidy and everything within reach. In my opinion, it's a stylish design that adds a lot of personal touch to your office, making it both functional and aesthetically pleasing. For me, this is actually one of the best desk add-ons because having a designated spot for certain items is super important to get things done faster. Since I'm using this desk tray, I never had to search for a pen or my AirPods again because I always know that they got their spot on my table. So if you don't have a desk tray at home, I can highly recommend them. Another fantastic Moody desk accessory is the LED bar. This sleek lighting solution offers customizable ambient lighting, allowing you to set up the mood according to your preferences. Whenever you need a soft warm glow or a vibrant color, the LED bar adds a personal touch to your own workspace. With adjustable brightness levels and color options, it simply creates a cozy atmosphere that I really like. I currently use two options here. The first one is the LED strip for my desk, and the second one is the LED floor lamp that you can see behind me. I will also add a third one soon to remove some areas that are too dark in my room and to light up some of my images, but I will share that in another video. And last but not least, let's talk about another really important upgrade for any Moody desk setups, and this one is all about greenery. Because yeah, bringing a touch of greenery to your office can have a huge impact on your mood and productivity. Of course, real plants are always the better option, but I definitely need to say that I always forget to water the plants, and since I wanted to combine them with my images, these fake plants are simply the easiest solution. They simply add a natural element to your workspace, making it feel inviting and cozy, plus you won't have to worry about watering or sunlight. So yeah, adding greenery is one of the best options to add a really nice touch of mood to your workspace, so definitely give it a try. But yeah, these are my top Moody desk accessories that will elevate your office to new heights of comfort and style. So, thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay updated for upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next video.